Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Okay, I'm back, guys. I want to talk about some of the ways that you can receive your commissions with affiliate marketing. Okay, there's kind of been a shift in the industry, with the online industry in the last couple months. PayPal has been shutting down home business opportunities, so we're basically not using PayPal at all to receive money at all. Okay, so I don't know if you've been aware of that, but we've got an alternative for that. But I want to show you some of the most common ways that you're going to be able to receive your commissions, because when you're doing member-to-member programs, you have to pay the person directly for the program that you're joining. Okay, so if you're in a program like most of the ones I'm in, actually all the ones I'm in, I actually have to receive the payment. Okay, so there's a few where they've added, like Stripe. If Stripe is in the back office, or if we had PayPal in there, if the company allows you just to receive your own payments, you just pay the admin and you pay the individual. There's a couple different ways you're going to be able to do that, and I'm going to show you the most common ones. Okay, so let me go over where I made some notes. Okay, do not use PayPal though. Okay, forget them, because they will shut you down. Now, I've just jotted down a few. Cash App, guys, that's free. It's easy. Everybody has a smartphone. Go to your smartphone right now and go ahead and just download Cash App. Okay, because more than likely someone you join is accepting that form of payment, so you'll already have it on your phone. So just go ahead and download it, create your Cash App account, and when you join someone, like for example, I accept Cash App, and what will happen is I would just give you my Cash App username, and then you would just send the funds directly to me that way. Okay, then the new way that we discovered, and I have 2 business opportunities I'm a part of, they have already added this in the back office. Okay, so it's coming. So you want to go ahead and get this card. Let me go ahead and tell you what it is. $29.95 one time plus $5.95 a month. Okay, so up front you're going to pay $30. Okay, you order this today, you pay $30. It's going to be a Visa debit card, no credit check. Everyone is approved. But what happens with this, excuse me, what happens with this is you get the card, I get the card, everybody has a card, let's say. Okay, and what will happen is you'll just go member to member. You're cutting out the processor, just like with Cash App. There's no processor. You're paying the person member to member. You'll get a Cash App account. I'll have a Cash App account. With this, you'll have an ORU debit card. I'll have an ORU debit card. And so you just log in with your ORU account, and you're going to be able to pay your commission to the person, pay the payment to the person you're joining this way. And this cuts out Stripe, PayPal, everything. Okay, so this is going to be the new way for this year. It's already being broadcasted and everybody's talking about it. So if you hadn't heard about it, I put a link below. It's called go to thisworks247.com. Okay, and go ahead and order your card today for that. So ORU, member to member. Then of course we have Stripe. Okay, and you can get that for free. Go to stripe.com, set that up, and it goes directly to your bank account. I haven't had any problems with Stripe. I did have a dispute or two, so you may get caught up in that, but that's another option. But as you can see, I have it down here at the bottom. These 1 and 2 are my first 2 options for you. Okay. Then of course authorize.net. You can go there. You have to get approved. It's around $35 a month, and of course you pay for your transactions. And you can go to authorize.net and set that up, and it's going to link to your bank account. So Stripe will be linked to your bank account in authorize.net, but Stripe, there's no monthly fees. Okay, only one that has the monthly fee is the debit card up here for $5.95, but that's no big deal. Authorize.net is around $35. So those are your most common used payment methods. Okay. And I wasn't using Stripe as much, but now that PayPal is, we're pushing PayPal out, that's going to be replacing it for me. So Cash App is going to be my #1 way, and of course ORU debit card. I've already placed my order. I'm waiting for mine to come. It takes about 7 to 14 days to get the card in the mail, but anyone that has an ORU account, and if you have an ORU account, you'll just be able to send the funds directly member to member, such as Cash App. Okay, so those are going to be the two most popular ones that you're going to be seeing out here in the home-based business space for member-to-member programs. And again, you can do Stripe or Authorize.net. Okay, so just wanted to show you that, because a lot of people are calling and saying, well, how do I get paid on these programs now? Okay, these are most common ones. Okay, so if you have any questions about these, feel free to give me a call. But mostly, you're going to see that people are going to have their preference in their profile. When you go to join them, there will be a notification in there to say how they want to get their payment, or feel free to give them a call, and say, hey, well, I want to join you in this. How are you accepting payments? Okay, but I'm letting you know how I'm pretty much accepting them. And I am still using Stripe to a certain degree. So you'll see when you go to certain accounts, it may just automatically ask you for your debit card, and that'll be Stripe. But just give me a call and I'll let you know. But Cash App and ORU is the two top recommended payment methods that I recommend for you. But all of these would work for you. Okay, so if you have any questions, give me a call. Meanwhile, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a blessed day.